In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Wix website URL. If you've just finished building a site or you need to share it with a client, teammate lead, or social audience, the quickest way is to grab the official URL right from your Wix dashboard. I'll walk you through exactly where it lives and how to copy it cleanly so you can paste it anywhere without hunting around. To start, open your Wix dashboard and head to your list of sites. You'll see all your projects in one place, typically under Sites or My Sites. If you manage multiple projects, use the search bar or filters to locate the exact one you want. Take a moment to confirm you're picking the correct site by checking the thumbnail and title. This page is your control center for all sites in your account, and selecting the right project here ensures you're pulling the right link later. When you found the site you want the URL for, hover over it or open its card so you can proceed. Now, choose Select Site. This takes you directly into that site's dashboard, where Wix keeps the key controls for that specific project. Give the dashboard a second to load. You'll notice the site name at the top, along with actions like editing, viewing, and settings. If you manage multiple versions or similar site names, glance at the header to make sure you're working inside the intended project. This confirmation helps avoid tweeting the wrong link, especially if you're sharing it with stakeholders. Once you're in the site dashboard, look toward the top area where Wix displays your site's public link. It's often near a view or leave option. When you see the link, place your cursor over it, right-click, and choose Copy Link Address. That grabs the full, shareable URL without opening a new tab. If you prefer, you can also click the link to open the site and copy the address from your browser bar. On a touch device, a long press on the link will bring up the copy option. Keep in mind, your link may be a custom domain, like your brand.com, or a free wixsite.com address, depending on your setup. If your site is brand new, make sure it has been published at least once so the public URL displays correctly. That's it. You've selected your project, opened its dashboard, and copied the official URL. Paste it into an email, a document, or your social bio, and consider testing it in a new tab to confirm it loads exactly as expected. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.